From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for December 30th, 2015. As we look at today's trade analysis, keep in mind the market is still in holiday mode. There is a lack of significant news or data this week, and many countries are still observing bank holidays going into the New Year's Day. I want to stress caution in trading in this week's unpredictable environment. That being said, as we look here on the AUDUSD, the Australian versus the US dollar, this was yesterday's trade analysis. We spoke of buying on a breakout of the resistance zone, which we were seeing here between the 72.50 and 72.75 level. That's the yellow shaded area you see here in the middle of our triangle. Well, as you can see, if we zoom in a couple of times, you can see that this market today is above the yellow shaded area. You can see 72.75. We've pushed above it, and today opened above it. Often in the trade room, I'm describing a breakout as an open and close. So we can't really yet classify this on the daily time frame as a breakout because it hasn't opened and closed above the yellow shaded area. Because literally, by the end of the day today, this could get back inside the yellow zone and becomes a false breakout. So while it hasn't opened and closed here on the daily time frame, there still is some expectation that now that it's above 72.75, we could see it into the resistance level, which sits here at the purple shaded area, and the 73.20 to 73.40 level. That's your next resistance target. So today, the support is still there at the yellow shaded area, targeting the purple zone. If it turns back lower, gets back within or under the yellow shaded area, we could see it take a turn back down towards the orange shaded area. Take it down to the 4-hour time frame. You can see we did actually see the market open and close on the 4-hour time frame above the yellow shaded area. And as we spoke about it yesterday in the trade room, buying on a dip to the 72.75 level would become an opportunity once it opened and closed like it did here above that. So if you took a buy into the yellow shaded area as it dipped back down there towards 72.75, you're now sitting with about 14, 15, maybe have seen about as much as 25 pips of profit on the trade. Nothing extraordinary, but that's been about the only thing that I could say about this pair that's been tradable, was that dip back to the top of the yellow zone on the 4-hour time frame. If you're still in it, continue to focus your efforts towards the purple shaded area for the Australian dollar. Now, moving over to the GBPUSD, Great British Pound versus the US dollar, we have a similar situation, yet opposite. Here, we can see long-term trend has been down. We've been studying that for many days in the live trade room. Still expecting the downward pressure to take hold, we could be looking for the breakout underneath a support. Let's take a look. Zoom it in all the way in there. Take a look. The purple shaded area between 1.4800 and 4835 was support here. Today, we're attempting to break out underneath there. Again, we haven't seen an open and close on the daily time frame, but it'll be interesting as we go down to the 4-hour time frame how this looks about that 4800 level on the 4-hour time frame. But again, we are in a downtrend. It's making a new low. The expectation is if it can continue to break down through 4800, we'll look for it down to 4750 to 4725. That's the blue shaded area. So that's what we're looking for. A breakout under the purple shaded area to target back down to the blue shaded area at the very bottom of the chart. The risk in that scenario, of course, is that it pushes back above the purple zone and starts to work its way back up towards the orange zone. Take it down to the 4-hour time frame. Again, things look a little different sometimes on the 4-hour, but as you can see, we have not yet seen an open and close on the 4-hour time frame either underneath that purple shaded area. So I would suspect today we need a clear breakout underneath the 4800 level to give us confidence that it's going to continue to pressure back down to 4750. If it can't do that, we might be looking for, once again, another retracement back towards the yellow shaded area or gold shaded area here for the pound dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.